Bangladeshi merchants lose thousands of customers every month because Shopify doesn't natively support popular mobile banking services like bKash, Nagad, and Rocket. Customers want to pay with their phone, but standard Shopify stores often have no local payment solution available. That's where ZSBD Pay comes in. Introducing ZSBD Pay, a complete mobile banking payment gateway built specifically for Shopify merchants in Bangladesh. Simply install the app, add your bKash, Nagad, or Rocket account details, and start accepting payments directly from your store. Customers will see a convenient Pay with bKash button on your product and checkout pages. They can complete their payment in just a few clicks, and once payment is confirmed, the Shopify order is automatically marked as paid with payment notes and tags added for easy management. ZSBD Pay supports both bKash API and manual payment modes, along with Nagad and Rocket payments. The app includes a powerful payment dashboard, one-click payment verification, refund management, CSV export, and full support for both Bangla and English language. Start accepting local mobile banking payments today with ZSBD Pay, the easiest way to connect your Shopify store with Bangladesh's most popular payment methods. Free to install and ready to grow your business.